difference owing to their similarity in physical structure and language. According to a Manobo creation myth, the fertile floodplain between the Kulaman and the Bulagi rivers was the birthplace of life on Earth. Soil stolen from another world was deposited into this place, which they refer to as Pinamua, or Land of the Beginning. The area covered by the Empire Province of Cotabato is a territory presently occupied by provinces of Cotabato, the Mother Province, South Cotabato, Maguindanao, Sarangani, and Sultan Kudarat, including the area now covered by General Santos and Cotabato cities. Cotabato comes from the Maguindanao word Kutawato, or stone fort, and he speaks of the long tradition of courage and resistance that marks the history of the Bulagi River Basin. Its capital was then Cotabato, now a city, a town along the Rio Grande, some 5 kilometers from where the said river empties into the sea on the west. Different festivities are being held annually to commemorate the creation of Cotabato. Festivities are usually composed of different rituals and dances to honor the gods who created Cotabato, which also reflects the cultures and traditions of the people of Cotabato. Represented by the Manobo dance, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the Manobo tribe of North Cotabato.
Very native, talagang tugong Mindanao, pero ginawa nilang modern yung kanilang performance. Magaling, magaling.
Next time, Sir John.
Very impressed. Kasi merong historical background eh. Very educational eh. Makita natin yung nag-aani sila, paano pinapakain yung kanilang mga katutubo, saan nanggagaling kabuhayan nila. Perfect costume, napansin ko yung hat, ang ganda ng kulay, yung transition ng blockings, ang ganda ng mga linya nilang ginawa, nag-iiba-iba sila. And yung native switching to modern, ang galing. And considering yung mga busy schedules nila, mga mommies, mga negosyante, to come up with such a beautiful production, bow po ako sa inyo. And it makes you
So ito pong performance nyo ay napaka-unique. At effort, ang inyong mga costume, lahat kayo sabay-sabay. Yung transition from ethnic to modern ay bonggang-bongga. Ang masasabi ko lang, North Cotabato, you got it!
Tonight, we've learned something. Let's go back and appreciate our own cultural dances. Very good. Ganyan din yung comment nila sa ating susunod na performer. So, ibigin dito talaga